welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be talking about natural remedies for acne. I just love using natural ingredients in products. It's one of those things that I think we have a mecca of ingredients out there in our pantries, in our kitchen, and so today it's all about pantry and kitchen beauty. Now we're going to be exploring recipes that we can make at home that can help with our acne and help to alleviate acne from our skin. I love doing videos that use natural ingredients to help bring out the beauty that is in each and every one of us. It's not to change up it's not to switch out your skincare altogether. It's basically using natural ingredients, making your own natural products from time to time, because it gives you more control of what actually goes on your skin. You know what exactly you're putting on there, and you know the benefits of what it has on your skin. And so it's important for us to learn how to make some of these products so we can just treat ourselves every once in a while to Mother Nature's goodness that lies in every one of these ingredients we're going to do today. I am a big advocate on clean beauty because it basically helps you just not only stay in control of what you put on your skin, but it also gives you a chance to educate yourself on some of the benefits of some of these natural ingredients. Some of the ingredients we buy, unfortunately, do have toxins in them. Some of them are heavily laden with chemicals, and actually help to deteriorate our skin. They actually help to further damage our skin, and the list is endless. So learning how to make some of these products is an absolute skill. You just have to understand how the ingredients work and to make sure you don't overdo on some of the ingredients and so on. And so without much further ado, I'm going to take you through 3 facial masks that are quite bomb for your skin. They are darling for your skin, and they will help to keep that acne away. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start by steaming my face. Steaming really helps to unclog your pores and to prepare your skin for all of the treatments you're going to be doing on there. And I've added in blended down rosemary. Now rosemary is very good for the skin. It helps in converting oily skin and also helps to unclog your pores. Working with the steam from the hot water, it is a very good steaming treatment for acne and oily skin. So I've steamed my face for about 15 minutes just to make sure everything is unclogged and you really want to get that sweat going. Some oats, about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oats, which I've just put in my dry blender. So you can use any old-fashioned rolled oats and just blend it down. I've put 2 heaped tablespoons of oats into my bowl, and then I'm going to add in about half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now you don't want to add too much of the cinnamon because it's quite overpowering, and it's also quite hectic when used in excess on your skin. So I'm just going to mix them together, and then we are going to add in our yogurt. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of double cream yogurt, and to that I'm also going to add in some honey. Now honey is absolutely fantastic for the skin. It's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, which is very good for acne, inflamed acne. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon, and I also added half a teaspoon of camera, just to loosen up the mask a little bit, to make it more fluid and more effective on your skin. Now get a clean, sterilized jar. You're going to add in your face mask to the jar, which you can store in a cool, dry place at room temperature You can also store this in the fridge, but it gets quite cold. So if you do want to use it and you've stored it in the fridge, you can take it out of the fridge, take a couple of tablespoons, and then you can loosen that up in the microwave just for a little bit, just to make sure it is nice and warm. And it is fantastic for your skin. It acts as a mask and also an exfoliator for your skin. So you just want to apply this all over your face. Just ensure you don't get into your eyes because it's quite irritating. So you basically apply it all over your face, gently scrubbing the skin as you apply along. And then you basically would leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before you scrub it off your skin. Now you're just going to make sure your hands are a little bit damp when you're scrubbing it off, just to loosen up the mask and also to give it that scrubbing action that your skin would absolutely thank you for. So here we're going to be using chickpea flour or besan flour for this mask. It is very good and it discourages the formation of oils and sebum trapped in your pores. So I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of our chickpea flour into my bowl, and to that I'm going to be adding in some nutmeg. Now nutmeg also helps with anything to do with inflammation of the skin, and it also helps with any acne related problems to your skin. We're going to be using this in moderation, so I'm going to be adding in about half a teaspoon of the nutmeg. Now to that we're going to be adding in our honey. Make sure you get good pure unadulterated honey, because remember this is going onto your skin. I'm going to be adding in about 2 tablespoons of honey to this mask, and we're going to give it all a mix. I absolutely love this mask because it makes your skin really supple, soft and very bright. It clears out your skin and you can see your skin, you would see your skin would start to be quite baby soft and very healthy looking with that glow. So I'm just going to leave it on my face for about 15 minutes again, and make sure your fingers are quite damp when you are taking off your mask, so you can give it that scrubbing exfoliating effect. So potatoes are absolutely fantastic for the skin. What they do is it's basically quite starchy, and that starch in the potato acts as a natural skin brightener, which is absolutely perfect if you've got acne scars or hyperpigmentation. What it does when paired with lemon, it absolutely takes out all of your dark marks from your acne, and also brightens up your skin, and also helps to lift any hyperpigmentation you might have. So it's basically very good for acne prone skin and for general overall brightness of your skin. So here I've grated 1 potato. Make sure your potato is scrubbed clean. Lemon is quite high in alkaline, so be careful when you use lemon because it can make your skin hypersensitive, so always make sure you pop on your. So just to show you what the potato mask looks like, I've put it on my arm. I still have this mask on my face. So just to show you what the potato looks like, it just basically goes on your skin and it stays put on your skin. Again, I always leave my mask for about 15 minutes thereabout. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you would try out this mask. If you do, let me know in the comment section how you got on and if it worked for you. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to please subscribe. We need you to join the family because we're here holding each other's hands, girl power all the way. I hope to see you soon and do stay safe and stay blessed. Take care.